If you've been looking for a budget-friendly soap that would help to naturally brighten your skin, exfoliate your skin, make you achieve that beautiful skin, this is a video you want to watch to the end. I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon soap. So take your time and watch this video to the end. The first thing you're going to get is your lemon, okay? So get your lemon, make sure it's nicely washed. You can either grate to get the lemon zest, or you can peel it like I'm peeling it. Okay, so after peeling it, you can now grind it, because what we need is the lemon peel. We are also going to be adding the juice along the line. Okay, so make sure that it's nicely washed, okay, and peel or grate. Okay, so guys, this soap is packed with antioxidants. It's soap that will naturally brighten your skin. If you have a dull skin, if you have a tired skin, this is a soap recipe you want to start making and start using as soon as possible. So lemon is very, very effective when it comes to skincare, and this soap will clear that spot as well. It will clear hyperpigmentation, okay, if it's being used on a regular basis. And this soap can also be used by all skin type. It doesn't strip out your skin's natural oil. So this is a soap recipe you want to start making and start using, okay? So here is the lemon peel. It was grounded, and this is what we have. So that aside, you're going to get your soap base. You can use any soap base, preferably glycerin soap base. So glycerin soap base are best because it's easy to melt. Okay, so if you want a soap that can melt, make sure you go with a soap that has glycerin in it. So the soap base has been cut into chunks, and I'm transferring it into a heat resistant container. You want to use a heat resistant container because we're going to be double boiling this soap to melt. So the next thing is to double boil the soap to melt, and as you guys can see, the soap has melted. Okay, so you add little turmeric powder, then you stir and make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. Okay, so guys, this soap recipe is what you want to try. It's easy to make and it's very, very effective. So next, I'm going to be adding the lemon peel, okay, the ground lemon peel. I'm going to be mixing everything together. Guys, this soap is also going to brighten and exfoliate your skin. Okay, so next we're going to be squeezing in some lemon juice, like I said earlier. Okay, lemon juice also help to brighten out the skin. They are going to make sure that you mix and mix until everything is well incorporated. So this soap is packed with enough nutrients that your skin is going to love. And the amazing thing is that this soap can be easily made and you don't need to spend tons of money. So once that is done, remove from heat. Okay, as you guys can see, it has been removed from heat, and make sure that you stir and mix everything. So here we have vitamin E oil. You're going to be adding quarter teaspoon vitamin E oil. Okay, and I'm going to mix everything together. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant. It will also make this soap make your skin very smooth and soft. So next thing, get your mold, grease it. If you're not using a silicone mold, then you pour in the soap into your mold, and you're going to be leaving this soap, okay, in room temperature to solidify. So as you guys can see, we have our soap solidified, and you're going to be unmolding it. And we've unmolded the soap, and guys, this is our lemon soap. So this soap is packed with that will make your skin naturally pop. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. See you guys in my next one. Bye.